In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Binance to your bank account. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device. Once you're in, tap on the Assets option at the bottom right. From there, click on Funding. If your amount is in the spot wallet, you'll need to transfer it to the funding wallet. Just tap on Transfer, select Spot to Funding, and then hit Confirm Transfer. This is how your amount will be moved into funding. Once it's in funding, tap on P2P, then select the Express option. Make sure to change it from Buy to Sell. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Select your payment method and choose Bank Transfer. After that, your amount will be withdrawn directly into your bank account, and you're all done. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.